Okay, so today we're going to talk about finding the sales tax on a purchase. So this question says a bicycle is on sale for $189.50. The sales tax rate is 5%. What is the total price? Sales tax is really just another way of finding percent of a number. So let's go back to our original percent of a number proportion box just so we can review that. Our percent of a number proportion is over of is always percent over 100. So really this is just another way to find percent of a number. Remember that is the part. Okay, that's your part. And the of is the whole or the total. So that's really important to remember. So if we are looking at this question, I'm going to set up a proportion box over here and we'll fill in some of our information. So if we read the question, we know the bicycle is on sale for $189.50. I'm going to say that's the total price. When you go to the store, that's your total. So that's going to go here, $189.50. And the sales tax rate on this particular item is 5%. So it just really depends on what state you're in, what you're purchasing, as to what the sales tax rate is. But right now it says 5%. And we know, based on our proportion box, that percent is always a number out of 100. So it's going to be 5% out of 100. That means the piece that we're looking for is our variable, and that's the part. So when we solve this proportion box, it's going to give us the amount of sales tax. So the way that we solve this proportion box is just like any other proportion. We're going to cross multiply. So 100 times x is 100x. And we're going to cross multiply to set up the other side of our equation. So 189.50 times 5, and we'll go ahead and just do that with our calculator. 189.50 times 5, and that's 947.5. So 947.5. So to solve this equation, it's just a one-step equation. We do the inverse of multiplying by 100, which is dividing by 100. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So x is equal to, and our trick for dividing by 100 is just to move our decimal 2 spaces to the left. So I'm going to say x is equal to 9.475. Now let's think about that for a second, because this is actually an amount of money. So if this is an amount of money, we don't write money with 3 decimal places. We actually write money to the hundredths place. So that means we want to round right here to the hundredths place. This 5 tells the 7 to round up. So in reality, in a real world situation, this would be $9.48. $9.48. We just have to remember, again, we don't write money with 3 decimal places, so normally we go ahead and round to the hundredths place. So the sales tax he's going to pay is $9.48. So normally, we can answer this question, what is the total price? The total price is not the $9.48. That's where some people get stuck. They think that they finished their proportion box, and so that's actually the final answer. It's really not. That's the amount of sales tax. But what we need to do is take the actual original price, which was the $189.50. We need to take the $189.50 and we're going to add the sales tax. So $189.50, and we're going to add the $9.48. So when we add that together, I believe we get $198.98. So to answer the question, what is the total price? The total price is this $198.98. So that would be the total price, including the sales tax of this item.